Hey Tabafetu, this video is brought to you by EasyBets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 Rand sign up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Tango. Fans on the TV, it's the Petro Premiership. Kaizer Chiefs won, CS Galaxy won. I'm joined by friend, my brother Kamabanu Pumagu.
Ofani lo Pumekian. Sibo.
Yeah.
Ayikona maka Chiefs.
Ayikona.
Chiefs ayisitivi kutanga yini. Coach ayisitivi kuyingesa abamali.
Ayisitivi.
Loko nanguta Pirates. Yitlanga isitanga sitsongo.
Yes.
Angayishavi yini. Utanga. Abarikona bakubaminya.
Yes.
Pirates ayiwina. Bakona batlangini. Abakorangi. That was a gift from TK's Galaxy players.
Yes.
That's not a goal.
That's not a goal.
That is a gift.
Yes.
Hey, Chiefs, go back and sit down and make sure next season you make a plan. Something. Abalungisi ababaphahla mpahlo Chiefs